Alright, what is up, you guys? So today, I've been planning this for quite some time. We're going to be installing gestures to your Ubuntu laptop or desktop if you have a Magic Mouse type dealio or Magic Trackpad from Apple. Anyways, let's hop in. We're going to be needing, first off, a terminal. And I'm going to leave the link to the website I'm using in the description down below. So, first you're going to need Chrome for your commands. And you're just going to copy and paste. Oh, whoops. Try again, copy and paste, enter. Type in your password, and then from there you're going to copy this, paste, enter, then you're going to press Y, enter, it may take a little bit of time depending on your internet connection. But well, that's already done. Never mind. Disregard what I was about to say. Paste that in there. Another Y, enter. Come in here, paste, enter. Now you're going to be wanting to install this. Let that finish first. Alright, paste that in. And we're just going to go through these commands right here. Alright, so now we need this information right here. You're going to copy all of that, paste that in there, then you're going to save it by Control X, and then Y, and enter. Okay, so now it's saying we can try it just by running this command, which we're going to try. Make sure everything's working. Alright, so instead of using my mouse here, I'm going to use a trackpad. And it is not functioning the way I remember. There we go. So as you guys can see, it is now functioning. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the startup application. Oops. And we're just going to add one. come back over here. We're going to name it exactly what they name it. We're going to command it exactly how written, and the comment. Alright, now we are done setting up your gestures in Ubuntu, and we can just close out of that now. So that's going to sum it up for this video, you guys. Please smash that like and hit the subscribe so you guys are informed on my next videos whenever I upload them. Outside of that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.